Welcome to another how-to video. How to export in Full HD 1080p from Camtasia. First, make sure that you are done editing your video that you want to export. Once you're ready to export your video in Full HD, go ahead and click the Share button, which can be found on the upper right of the screen. Click Custom Production and select New Custom Production. Choose MP4 and click Next. Go to Size section and set the width to 1920. Next is the video settings section. Set the video quality up to 75%. You can also set the frame rate based on your preference. After doing the steps, click Next and save your video on the path you want to save it. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.